Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:13 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Orchard, or 23 miles northwest of Fort Morgan, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orchard, Jackson Reservoir, Goodrich, Riverside Reservoir, and Masters. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure.